Well, hello, and welcome to another wonderful and exciting episode of Hadrian's Forge. Today I've got something exciting planned for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of bending. Yay! Doesn't that sound like fun? In this particular episode, I will be discussing the second technique of blacksmithing, bending, in three different types. Maybe not different types, but different methods of different methods of bending. Um, so yeah, and don't forget I'm being controversial because I'm doing it my way. So don't forget to tell me what you think in the comments. And while you're down there, hit that like button, and let's go over and hit the vise. See you there. Well, hi diddly-o. As you can see, we're at the vise. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the simplest and what I consider the first set, the most basic bending, basically vise hammer. So let's go. And remember, this is for short, tight, triangle bends. That's assuming I can get the vise tight enough. Well, let's see if I can repeat that up and try that again. As you can see, I didn't come out. I mean, yeah, you're right. One more heat, we'll get it back. Oh. No, we're going to leave it as it is. Now I'm going to leave it like it is. It gives it the character, and it's not, well, it's going to end up being an extension cord hook. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you off and set up for number two, or technique number two. And for those that you have noticed, that yes, I will be displaying them in reverse order of me doing them. Just, you got to get used to it. Sometimes I do that. Anyway, here we go. Switching over and moving to the next set. Okay, as you can see, we're obviously at the horn for part two of this. So let's heat this up and get going. Not really that difficult. As you can see, just yeah, I did have to cool this off so it didn't deform it. But as you can see, just by doing that and the light taping, we're getting a nice even curving bend, which is what we want. So let's add some more heat and put a little more bend into it. And it's one of the things I learned early on is don't be afraid if you need to cool it, get it to do what you want, then cool it. And ta-da! That's exactly what I was looking for. That one's not wanting to go. We'll get another one. Oh, got it started anyway. And as you can see, two nice. So now we're going to go ahead and we want to do another bend in it. Basically this way. That's about how much I want to do that one. Let's finish the other side. One heat. What do you know? More good bends. So let's go ahead and I'm going to switch over and reset up and show you how to do the scrolls. Well, here we are at the side of the anvil. And I'm going to show you the third type of bending, or some people call it scrolling. So yeah, here we go. And just start off on a paper by just bouncing it off the edge. Getting them started can be tricky. As you can see, I'll have to reheat, and then what I need to do is hit it in this direction so that the more force is up here, bending it, not bending the rest of it, because the rest gets thicker, it'll take more force. ta-da, one nice scroll. Let's try the other side, see what happens. Remember, start, side tap. Anyway, there you have your two scrolls. Anyway, now I'm going to send you over to, and we'll talk about it. See you then. Okay, now wasn't that it really exciting? As you can hear on the first vice bend, I flattened it out, but it deforms, and as you can see it because I didn't fix it, like this, as you bend it with the vise. But as you can see, it's a much tighter type corner. And then as the this one was the horn bend with that, again there and there, and as you can see, you can control it and it gives you a nice sloping curve and a lot less distortion. And then of course there's the scrolls. Those are pretty much self-explanatory. You can pretty much come up with and do them in a lot of different ways. And so that is how you bend. I hope you're ready for more, because next episode is going to be upsetting. Ooh, that might upset some people. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notify button, because you know you want that reminder. And don't forget, you're wonderful people. Till then, see ya.